Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today we are going to check how fingerprint sensor works with the screen protector. So just take a look on my screen when it's turned off. As you can see here, I got the screen protector, it's tempered glass. So right now let's just test if it is reliable, if it is even working. So just put the finger here for a few times. Okay, let's go for the 2 times more. And the last one. As you can see, it works really good, it's reliable, it works every time, even when they have the screen protector on the screen. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!